Okay, guys. Welcome back to the yard. Got the window in. Yep, got it in. See that? Got it in. Seeing. You seeing? Need to put that chrome strip back here. Yep, the chrome strip wasn't on the one we got from LKQ, but this is it right here. So see if we can heat it up and separate it, then glue it back. Then glue it back on this one. But it's in. Still gotta fix this thing though. So that means you gotta take this glass back out, which I tried to tell him, but he don't listen sometimes, you know. So we gotta do this. See, I would take care of this right now. And up here. Right here. Right here. All that needs to get taken care of. Which is pretty simple. Nothing hard about none of this. But that's the 4-1. That's the 4-1. The glass is in. Looks decent. But only difference is this glass over here is different. So you don't see the lines in this one, the heat lines for to heat it up, because this is a newer truck. Then this one over here came off of. This one over here, you see the little lines in it. See those lines? That's saying, because this one came off of a 2007. Yeah, this one came off 2007, so older technology here. But there it is, guys. I guess the next time I'm gonna get started on. I don't know. He might never do this, but I'm trying to tell him to bend this right here a little straight because it's kind of bent out. So get it back straight like this one. This side over here straight. His keys out of there. And there you have it. Let's see if the door will come down. Yeah. I think it will. Should. Because I hit it with the hammer a little bit. You know, temporarily. Because it wouldn't even open. Let's see if it opened now. See if it opens. Okay, it opens. So a little bit more work and we should have it all together. Close it again. Beep. Okay. Now it's down. So that right there. So okay, got it looking a little better. Got the glass in, so it's almost ready to go. Close this truck right here, y'all. Got some videos of this thing right here, but still working on it. I gotta upload all of them. I don't think I upload none of them yet. Yeah, I put that glass in. It's kind of messy. If you look at it, it's kind of messy, if you can see that. It's kind of messy. It's a lot messy, but it's not leaking. It's kind of messy, but it's not leaking. It's not leaking. Kind of messy, but it's not leaking. Added a heads up display, so it should work. We'll know when we hook everything up. Okay. Yeah, I got too much stuff in here. There it is. There it is. Still gotta check out all that oil on the frame, but so far so good. I mean, yeah, so far so good. Yeah, so far so good. Not so good. So good so far. So far so good, I think. Okay. Just want to show you guys the last bit. Could have been better, but he wanted to just deal with this, so that's how we're gonna leave it, guys. Until further notice. Okay. That's it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one when we're again back in the yard. Peace.